Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Ensure the car is parked, engine off, and the parking brake set so you can work safely. Try a gentle left-right wiggle of the wheel while attempting to turn the key. This relieves pressure if the lock is stuck. If the key feels worn or bent, switch to a known good spare. You're doing two things at once: reducing torque on the lock and confirming whether the problem is steering pressure or the key itself. Act on whichever shows first. Once the wheel is slightly free, maintain steady, controlled pressure left or right. Don't yank, and try turning the key with even force. This aligns the lock pins. If the cylinder feels gritty, apply a small amount of silicone-based lubricant into the key slot, then work the key in and out. This loosens debris without attracting dirt. If the key refuses to move, give the key shaft a light tap with a rubber mallet while holding pressure. That vibration. Finish by centering the wheel so the pin in the steering column has room, fully inserting the correct key, and rotating slowly until the lock disengages. Rush less, feel more. If the key breaks or the cylinder won't budge, stop and call a locksmith or roadside service to avoid damage. As a troubleshooting tip, try a verified spare key first, check the car battery if electronics affect ignition, and only then consider removing the column cover for inspection if you're qualified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.